And key players are advocating more commitment to protecting women, young people and vulnerable communities. This formed part of discussions as government officials, international partners and traditional leaders gathered to celebrate the 25th anniversary of ActionAid Nigeria. Mira Mohammed reports.
5th anniversary celebration, the Minister of Information and National Orientation, Muhammad Idris, praised the organization for its work in supporting vulnerable communities and championing the right of the girl child. He also unveiled the organization's legacy books and a prototype of a new building.
Unfortunately, a growing mischaracterization is pitting it against its long-standing friends, such as the United States of America. Nevertheless, as we are at a point where our nation is striving to mend fences, enhance diplomatic and military cooperation with our friends, and ultimately secure our country against our common enemies, basically terrorism and banditry.
ActionAid leaders reiterated their dedication to tackling poverty and addressing the protect's social and economic inequalities.
So for the past 25 years, we have stood shoulder to shoulder with people living in poverty and exclusion, not as saviors. We don't see ourselves as saviors, but as allies who are working together. With footprints across the 36 states in Nigeria and the FCT, we have seen resilience emerge where despair once lived.
This is the story that Africa needs, continuity. Not that when one president leaves, we disturb everything and start life again.
Former presidential aspirant Peter Obi and traditional rulers, including the Etsunupe, commended ActionAid's intervention, calling for continued collaboration, courage and remembrance of humanitarian workers who lost their lives while serving communities.
We are faced with issues of inequality. We are faced with issues of mounting poverty. We are faced with issues of drug, child abuse, everything. I urge you, do not relent. Congrats for what you've been able to achieve.
Not 15, not 20, but 25. A great number of years of starting and continuing to develop and progress.
As ActionAid celebrates 25 years of service, the event underscored the importance of partnership, advocacy and sustained efforts to confront poverty, climate change and social inequality across Nigeria. Mira Mohammed, TVC News, Abuja.